In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get read receipt in Outlook. By the end, you'll know how to make Outlook request a read receipt so you can see when someone opens the email you've sent. Keep in mind, a read receipt is a request, not a guarantee. Some people or organizations turn them off, and many mail apps let recipients decline them. Still, when available, they're a helpful way to confirm your message was viewed. Start by opening Outlook in your web browser and signing into your account. Give the page a second to load your inbox. A stable connection helps here, especially if you work with large mailboxes. You'll be doing this in the Compose window, so everything happens right inside Outlook. No add-ins or downloads required. Next, click New to start a new message. This opens the Compose pane where you'd normally write your email. You don't have to fill out the subject or body yet. We're just getting to the setting that controls read receipts for this message. Inside the Compose window, look for the Mail menu. Depending on your layout and screen size, you might see Mail directly on the toolbar, or you may need to open the More Options menu to reveal it. If your window is narrow, Outlook can tuck some options behind an overflow button, so expanding the window or clicking the three dots can help you spot it. Once you see Mail, open it to access message-related settings. From there, choose Options. This is where Outlook groups features that apply to the message you're composing. Options is the place to adjust things like importance, sensitivity, and tracking. If the panel opens on the side, scroll if needed. Outlook sometimes reorganizes these controls based on recent updates. Now, select Request Read Receipt. Turning this on tells Outlook to attach a read receipt request to the email you're composing. When your recipient opens the message, their mail app may send a confirmation back to you. Remember, this depends on the recipient's settings and their organization's policy. Some clients ignore read receipts, and some recipients choose not to send them, so treat the receipt as a helpful signal, not a contract. If you work in a strict environment, it's a good idea to use read receipts thoughtfully and only when necessary. Also note that a read receipt is different from a delivery receipt. Delivery only confirms the message reached the mailbox, while a read receipt indicates the email was opened. That's it. You've enabled the request for this message, and you can continue composing with confidence, knowing you'll be notified when it's read where supported.